Are you curious about the differences between Threads and X? You're not alone. Today, we'll break down these two popular platforms and help you decide which one might be better for you. Both Threads and X are social media tools. They let users share thoughts, photos, and connect with others. They aim to keep you engaged and updated with what's happening around you. But they do have some key differences. Let's start with Threads. This platform focuses on sharing updates with friends and family. It's all about personal connections. You can easily post photos and messages. Threads is designed to keep your conversations private and friendly. Now, let's look at X. This platform is more public and open. It allows users to broadcast their thoughts to a wider audience. You can share news, opinions, and even follow trends. X is great for those who want to reach more people and engage in larger discussions. So, what sets them apart? Threads is intimate and personal, while X is more about broadcasting to the masses. If you want a close knit experience, Threads is the way to go. But if you prefer a platform where you can share ideas with a larger crowd, X might be better for you. When it comes to features, Threads offers a simple interface. It's easy to navigate and post updates. X, on the other hand, has more tools for sharing and interacting. You can retweet, like, and comment on a variety of posts. In terms of pricing, both platforms are free to use. They make money through ads and partnerships, so you won't have to spend any money to join. In the end, if you value privacy and close connections, choose Threads. But if you want to share your voice with a larger audience, go for X. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.